Hi guys, what's happening? This is Nandakishore from digitalrnk.com. This video is about how to create an email account in Hostinger and configure it to Gmail. So Hostinger provides pretty good offers every week like a free SSL certificate, free domain, etc. So if you haven't got your hosting plan yet to start your blog or a website, then check out my link in the description box below and you can avail extra discount as well. And if you want to know how to buy hosting and set up your domain and install the SSL certificate, please click the above link to watch the tutorial. Okay, first of all, if you scroll down, you'll find different hosting plan. Here you'll get one email account in single hosting plan and 100 email accounts in premium web hosting. So you can choose the one which suits best for your requirement. We will do this in 5 steps. Okay, so let's begin with step 1. Log into Hostinger hPanel. To log into Hostinger, just go here and log in with your credentials. In my case, it's already logged in, so it's not asking for login details. So it will take you to the Hostinger dashboard. From here, click on this Manage button. Now scroll down until you find emails. So click on that. So here you'll find all the details related to email accounts. Incoming server, outgoing SMTP server, POP server. Step 2. Create a new email account. If you scroll down, you'll find this create a new email account. So enter the name for your email address and then set a password. Once it's done, click on create. So as you can see, your new email account has been created. This is the email I have created now. You can see the usage, message sent, count. If you scroll little down, you'll find this choose your email hosting plan. Guys, just don't get confused with, you don't have to buy this as your existing hosting plan comes with free email accounts. Step 3. Send a test email. So to open email interface, just click here and it will take you to this place where we can send and receive emails. Now let's send a test email. To do that, just open your Gmail. And click on compose. Now let's copy the email I have created with Hostinger. Just copy that and come back to Gmail and paste it here. Add a subject and a message. Hi, this is test mail. Now let's click on send. Let's go to send mail to check. So the mail has been sent successfully. Now let's go back to the email interface and click refresh. As you can see, the mail we have sent is here. Now let's compose a mail from here. To do that, just click on compose. Enter your Gmail account, subject and a message. Click on send. And let's go to send mail to confirm. So mail sent successfully. Now go to Gmail and click on inbox. Click refresh. As you can see, we have received the email. So guys, this way you can create your email account. Let's go to Hostinger. Here, if you want to delete the email, you can do that just by clicking here. And if you want to see more settings, click here. And from here, you can change the password, manage spam filter, manage antivirus, and you can see the mailbox size. Suppose if you delete this email, you can come back here and create again. Step 4. Connecting to Gmail. So to connect this email to Gmail, go to Gmail and click on Settings, see all settings and click Accounts and Imports. Down here, check mail from other accounts. Click Add a mail account. This window will open up. Just paste your email and click Next. Next again. Here you gotta enter your email under username and the same password. Once it's done, just go to Hostinger and copy the incoming POP access server details and paste it here. Again, go back to get the port number. From this drop-down option, select 995 and check these boxes. Here, you can select or add the incoming messages label. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. Next, click Add Account. Your mail account has been created. Select Yes and click on Next. Here, you can give the name which your receiver wants to see. So I'm gonna leave it as it is. Click on Next tab. Here, you gotta configure your email with SMTP server. To get that, go to Hostinger and copy this outgoing mail SMTP server detail and paste it here. Enter the username, copy and paste and enter the password. Now let's select the port number. It's 587. 587, fine. Secured connection with TLS recommended. Go with that option and click Add Account. Now Google has sent a verification code, so go to Gmail inbox and click Refresh. As you can see, we have received the mail. Click on that and copy this code and paste it here and press Verify. Now go to Settings, see all settings, Accounts and Import. Make sure you check this option to reply from the same email address, and if you set this to default, when you hit Compose, you will be able to send email from the same ID. Click this drop down to choose from which email you want to send the emails. So that brings us to the step number 5. Send a test mail from Gmail. Enter a subject. This is test. Message. Guys, don't get confused. So I am writing it here for your understanding. This mail from admin@digitalrnk.com. Click Send and go to Inbox. You can see that we have received email successfully. So hope you guys have found this video helpful. So if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and leave your comment down below and subscribe for more tutorial video like this. Thank you.